Hey everyone, welcome to the Dev Call, October 28th. Cool, lots of fun stuff going on. We shall just get into it, see what everyone's working on. Yeah, Dan, how's things?
Pretty good. I'm doing some refactoring and adding some precision tests in the end-to-end suite.
Awesome. Spotty?
I got a test chain running at the end of last week, so we're banging on that a little bit. And I just been going through all the ops stuff this morning.
Yeah, for people watching, we keep spinning up new chains and then finding ways to break them. So
I
we
got
want to clean it up and then we'll let all you guys on. So
we're also improving our monitoring a lot. We'll be a lot more stable this time around, just because we're better at hosting stuff.
I did see the messages of a lot of requests.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what threshold that should be yet, so I keep raising it. I'll raise it a little more and see when we don't get alerts anymore.
Nice.
This is what this time is for.
Cool. Tim?
Yeah, so end of last week, we made some changes to deal with determinacy and like decimals and in math in our chain. So we're testing out those changes that we just made last week, and just doing all the tests that we did last week that broke the chain last time.
Nice.
Yeah, doing lots of layer testing.
Cool. Ryan, how's you?
Yeah, I'm still in the Block Explorer, trying to get the data feed coming through. I have it kind of structured out. It's just a matter of getting the actual data to feed through, the reported data. And then I think I solved the cores issue. It'll just be, I'm just going to test it out once we get the actual RPCs to plug in. I'm hoping that translates correctly. But yeah, that's it. I got base up on the data feed, the current data feed last week. You can check that out.
Nice. Cool. Thanks, Ryan. Caleb?
Just going to be testing layer, maybe start preparing for devCon, and hopefully, if the chain is going to come down again, it's in the next week from us testing it, and we'll get all the problems sorted out. This math stuff has been annoying, but It's been an interesting learning experience for like distributed stuff, applications.
Yeah, and so if you guys, as Caleb mentioned, a couple people here are going to devCon. You obviously got Brenda, and then who? Dan and Caleb. Anyone else? And Ryan. So be a good little group there. So if you want to meet anyone, you can see who's most popular. Go reach out to meet someone.
Yeah, go to the Unstable Summit and the Blockchain Oracle Summit will be there. So
are those two separate ones?
Yeah, it's the 10th and the 11th of November, and then devCon starts on the 11th through the 15th, I think.
Are you speaking or on a panel?
I am. I'm speaking on one and on a panel, and then I think I'm on two panels on the other one.
Nice.
So yeah.
All right. And speaking of traveling, welcome back, Akrem.
Thanks.
How was it?
It was fun. Definitely not as big as Ethereum, but it was pretty fun. It was a lot of talks, a lot of workshops, a lot of Bitcoin maxis.
Akrem just went to Cosmoverse in Dubai.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I guess I met a lot of teams, projects, Babylon, Native, Agoric, Orchestration. Met a lot of the Cosmos people, like all the groups, IBC, Cosmos, and all that. It was pretty good.
I'm
Um,
kind of surprised that Bitcoin maxis were there.
yeah. I mean, Babylon is I guess using Bitcoin as the stake on their
Oh.
chain. That should be fun. Hopefully, nothing goes wrong there. But yeah, it's a bit. Yeah, a lot of people are at Cosmos are fans of Bitcoin for sure. Yeah, it was Dubai is hot, nighttime, daytime, so you just stay inside the whole time. But yeah, it was pretty cool.
Nice.
The
And
big thing, the big thing I took from it though is yeah, I'm working on some fun stuff doing end-to-end testing. At least that's exciting to me, how to spin up the chain, and learned a lot of tools that people recommended that peak projects are using. So yeah,
can't wait for you to teach us.
Yeah.
And I saw the big announcement was IBC V2.
Yeah, IBC Eureka.
Yeah.
EVM.
Do
Bridging.
you know anything about it?
No, it's in the works. It's not ready yet, but they're using, I think, ZK stuff from what's that project? It's the only project.
Succinct.
Succinct, yes.
Yep.
So that's fun. So maybe.
Well, I mean, we've been playing around with it, and the problem that we found is that proofs take 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So I'm very curious to see.
I think that they brought that time down. Is what I
Yeah,
understand.
well, that's what they say. So I'm curious. I'm actually curious to see what assumptions they're throwing out.
Well, I got the contact information for the guy, so you can reach out to him.
Yeah.
Deep dive.
Please.
I think he was the main dev, so.
No, because I saw the announcement, and it's like, we're doing bridging of data, and now IBC's rebranding to basically support all chains. So it's like we could just basically use IBC native to bridge out all our Oracle data, and we don't have to do anything custom, which is pretty awesome. So.
Yeah, it's nice that because I also tried to when I was there was a guy that he was looking for an Oracle to use. So I was trying to quickly enable IBC. So I was I was trying to see if I can get him in, but I couldn't get it to work exactly, but I did add a lot of the code. So that hopefully will come in handy.
Yeah.
But it's all coming together, guys. So the whole vision of having a Cosmos chain with bridges that are fast, it's like we thought this is going to be the future. So it's coming.
And even if they're working on it, now we have a lot of options, right? We have our bridge, we have maybe a CK bridge, and then maybe we'll have IBC. So people will have plenty of options.
Yes. So be here. It's exciting.
Yeah, relaying stuff will probably be easy if everybody's using IBC. So that'll be good.
Yes. Cool. Well, that's about it, guys. Any questions? No? Oh, Brenda, all good? Need anything else?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
I feel like we skipped Caleb, no?
No, he was
No,
good.
I'm sorry. Okay, maybe I skipped Caleb. Sorry. All
Anyway.
right, no.
All right. Thanks, everyone. Talk to you next week.